Fixer-upper. If you're looking to do a total renovation on a property with terrific potential, this is the condo for you. You must first remediate the mold, but once you've taken care of that, you have a fantastic floor plan with great square footage. The spacious living room and dining room area includes a gas fireplace and double glass doors leading to the large deck. It's hard to find another condo with a deck this size, and with a water view. The kitchen has a cute breakfast area. The master suite features a walk-in closet and private bathroom. 2 closets in the second bedroom are a surprise, as is the laundry closet large enough for a full-size washer and dryer. The welcoming front porch, storage area, and reserved parking make this condo even more desirable. Sold in as-is condition. Seller will make no repairs,